Let's talk about watermilfoils. Watermilfoils are a genus of freshwater plants with about 69 species. Today we'll be looking at northern milfoils and Eurasian milfoils. Northern milfoils are native to our area. They have often more than 14 leaves per node and about 5 to 9 pairs of leaflets. Eurasian milfoils, now spelled correctly, are not native and have about 2 to 14 leaves per node and about 12 to 21 pairs of leaflets. Their existence suppresses cyanobacterial growth, meaning that algal blooms are less likely to happen. However, Eurasian milfoils grow very quickly here, creating dense mats of milfoils. They don't really provide the same microhabitats for invertebrates, or creatures without spines, as our northern milfoils do, meaning that invertebrates have less habitat space. This results in decreased populations of invertebrates and that larger fish have less food. It also blocks sunlight penetration, which causes the energy in the sunlight to remain in the top layer of the water because it can't go down any further. This heats up the water and releases dissolved oxygen, resulting in a top layer of water with pretty much no oxygen. This is bad because it suffocates everything in the top layer. Seems easy enough to distinguish, right? However, they can hybridize, meaning that they can make watermilfoils that have characteristics of both species, as shown in the picture. Unfortunately, this hybrid is also invasive and causes the same problems that the Eurasian milfoil does, except it's a little more problematic because, well, it's hard to distinguish. Since it's invasive, one might think that the easiest solution is to remove it. However, we can't remove it completely because it could grow an entire plant from a single branch, meaning that even if a little tiny fragment gets loose, then it will flourish in another spot. This means that the most we can do is to do maintenance on it yearly, and then continue monitoring it. If you see what you think is Eurasian watermilfoil in a lake, don't be afraid to contact the King County Noxious Weed Control